Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, Homestead, Overland,
Virginia.
Yeah, my name's David, and today we're going to do a little technical analysis for XRP. But what kind of videos do we usually do, baby?
Oh, off-grid living, homesteading, product reviews, and we're converting a barn into a barn dominium.
Yeah, so if you like that kind of stuff, you might want to subscribe, hit the bell for notification, give us a little thumbs up, and help us out because we're trying to get monetized. Let's get into XRP. I'm in this thermal room right now because it's 19 degrees outside. It feels like -5 according to the Weather Channel. In the room, I got it up to 55 degrees, but outside the room, it's about 20 something. I just went out and took care of the chickens, so that's why I got my neck gaiter on my head. And I kind of look funny. My wife hates this hat because I look like a Shriner. What do I look like, a troll doll?
Yeah.
Yeah, but look, this is what we got to do. Look, I'm not out to impress anybody. I'm all about practicality. So if you've been following along, I showed you the other day that the MACD had a crossing and we had that green histogram. And I told you that it could possibly be a good buy right now. Look, my number is number 3. I like to see 3 things. Like when I'm drawing support, I like to see 3 touches. Same with resistance, 3 touches. When I got a volume, I want 3 nice big candles going up. And then on the histogram, I'd like to see 3 green ones if you wanted to be a buy. Let's take a look at what's going on with the price action and the MACD histogram. Here's XRP on the daily. Each candle represents a day going all the way back here to like November. We had the long run up. We had the flag. We broke out. We came back. We tested. We had another run up. We were in the flag. We broke out of this pennant right here. And then that's where I said we're going to be bearish for a while. We came down. We broke out of this flag. We came back in. We bounced back in. Look, we got a good green candle. And then if you look at the price action, this was the last couple days. This is when the MACD started turning green right here. Let me double click on that and see where we get the MACD correlating at. If I put my little cursor right there, if you go straight down, what do you get? The MACD cross. Now look at the MACD. Let me just double click on this. So if I double click on that, I get just the MACD. I like to see green getting bigger. Look, but we got a light green. I told you about when you see it change from dark red to light red, that's a downtrend right here, dark red. And then when it's light red, the downtrend is weakening. Same goes for green. Like when it's dark green and it's getting bigger and bigger, that uptrend is getting stronger. And then when you get a light green, it's getting weaker and they're getting shorter. So what don't I like right here? I don't like that light green. But today is a holiday. What's today's holiday, babe?
President's.
It's a President's Day. So a lot of traders, they take off, even though the cryptocurrencies is 24/7. A lot of people work that Monday through Friday to take holidays off. People are doing things and stuff like that. So maybe we'll see a little bit more action tomorrow. But I would like to see 3 of those histograms to kind of confirm that we're heading in the right directiones. Let's give that histogram and MACD a couple more days. Let's look at the price action. And I'll let you see what I'm seeing. So I'm just going to go here on the MACD, pick up area and just double click, and then to bring up my indicators, I'm going to look the volume up here. I don't like that too. You know, when the MACD crossed, we had this green candle and we got 2 red days of selling off. And if you look at the price action below it, same thing. The price is going down. Let me double click on the price action. Double click. Because I'm on a bar, that's why it's doing it, a line right there. Gotta get a white spot. When you click, you gotta click on the white spots. You can't click like on a bar like right here or it won't work. So look, we are in a downtrend on this bullish flag. Here's what I like about it, is that I told you when I draw these parallel channels, there's a dotted line in the middle. And we're still above the dotted line. Let me see what that looks like as far as, let's get a little micro on here. Let me go up here and change it from a daily. And then we're going to make each one of those candles represent 4 hours. And then we can kind of see what's going on with that line. So see how it looks like this now. Now I have to manipulate this. So I'm going to go over here to the price action. I'm going to scroll up. I'm dragging and scrolling up. I'm clicking on the white screen and I'm pulling down. Now look at that line that I showed you. You can see we're bouncing it. This is a good sign if we haven't broken below it. I want to stay above this dotted line because in this area, we're bullish. In this area, we're bearish. So that's kind of cool. So let me drag up here a little bit. I'm going to draw a parallel channel. I'm going to see what's going on. I'm going to show you how we were in an uptrend and then we broke out of that uptrend. Let's go over here to my trend tool, go down to parallel channel. And then I'm going to draw a parallel channel right here. You can see we were in an uptrend, then we broke out of it, right? And there's our breakout. Now we're in a downtrend. Let's see what that looks like, because we're in a downtrend until we're not in a downtrend. I went to trends. I want to go to parallel channels. And then here's my parallel channel right here. So you can see we're in this downtrend. So right now we're in a downtrend for these are 4 hours. This is 4 hours ago, 8 hours ago, 12 hours ago, etc. We're in a downtrend. We're bouncing off that middle line. Let me even get more deeper, because I can see we're breaking below it. Let's change this from 4 hours to every hour now. And let's just get a little more microscopic. I'm going to show you why I changed time frames. Let me go over here and open it up a little bit so I can see what's going on. Aha, you can see now we just broke below that line right here. Boom, boom, boom. Right here is the middle line of this parallel channel, the bigger one. And you can see we broke below it, but we're still just hovering. We haven't closed below it. So, you know, XRP is kind of right now. I'm going to get really microscopic. I'm going to change this to every 15 minutes just to see what's going on with that middle dotted blue line. Oh boy, there's a little bounce right now. See why I changed time frames? So you get down to like minutes and hours when you're day trading right here. But look at that. We're bouncing off that. So that's kind of like bullish. Let me just get out of here now. Let's go back to the daily and just kind of finish this up here. And then I got my price action. Now I have to drag down over here. I'm clicking and dragging right there. I clicked on the wheel and I'm rolling up. I can drag it right here. Roll back, and let's double click and get all my indicators. So like I said, MACD, I need a green one right there. We need some green volume. We need some action right here in the price action. We need to stay above this blue dotted line, and we're probably gonna have resistance right there where this intersection is at 290, right around here. So nothing really exciting about XRP right now. I was kind of excited the other day when we saw that MACD cross, and then we got that one green histogram, but I like to see 3 histograms getting bigger. But in general, the fundamentals have not changed for XRP. I'm still very bullish. You know, this is the market cycle that we're in right now. We had that three days. I saw the MACD cross on Friday, but then there was the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. And then you got Monday. Today's a holiday. Here's another thing too. If you guys want me to do technical analysis for you for a particular coin or a stock, just email me, Homestead Overland Virginia @gmail, and I'll tell you about what I can do for you. I'll make a video just like this. I'll give you all the information as far as the trends, the channels, the support, the resistance, the MACD, the volume. I'll give you like my idea of what I think about it. But look, none of this stuff is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. Do diligence, right, Winston? You ain't got anything to say? Okay, well, that's cool. What, do you want, another meatball? Yeah, you see, he said he wants another meatball, doesn't he? You looking for meatballs, Winston? We also are having our first baby together, so like if you guys want to donate, because I make these videos, you know, it'd be a nice little way to say thank you for giving you this information. I'll give you the we have a link for the Amazon baby registry if you just want to donate. We appreciate it. So guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. But I'm coming home. I'm coming. I'm coming home. I'm coming. Homestead Overland, Virginia.